like that. Now they come ask and say, what did they happen? Say one boy who deceive him. He say his mama send a message, make you go buy something for a market. As the girl they go, 14 years old girl. As the girl they go now, his mama begin to wait for her. She not come back. They wait for her 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours. This girl not going to come back. When it come the happen, they don't know. They begin come they look for this girl. Begin they look for her because now 14 years old girl, they never know ma before. So they come to look for her mode. They not going to see the girl. Then later, now for Ghana, this one for happen so. When the girl come back, she they nyakan, they come, they nyakan, they waka, they like person woman when you leave Bobby key, where be say if you come the waka, you come be like say that they carry out with people those women, where be say that they born through this thing now, with the concord, them all those things. So the girl come the waka like that. Now they come ask and say, what did they happen? Say one boy who deceive him, come inside house. Be like if I know the boy before. As a deceiver, and she come miss her ass. As she come miss her ass, he said that the boy come meet some of his friends for there. They come give her juice, make you drink. As the girl drink juice finish, you know say they put something for inside the juice. Then they come vandalize this girl. The girl come begin to sleep. Now they vandalize the girl, 3 of them. They they are John Thomas. They squawk for inside the girl on the pot. They vandalize this girl, finish the girl. But some of our boys say God go punish una really for what una do this girl. The girl say as they finish now they continue drive the girl. The girl come when the girl come wake up, his body this thing full lamb. This red man also use English to talk campo. Our normal this thing away blood na hair. They come begin they come out for the girl body. As the girl reach us, saw a body wet. As he reach us, now he begin they narrate the story. They narrate and give the family. Say see what happen no. See what the boys they do amo. You don't know that before. I mean if you know one. See what they do, my people. But our boys, what una they do really? What una they do, God pass on really. They just vandalize this girl, finish this girl. This girl can't they go as he not can know what she they do again. The one we come they even they pay me inside. If papa said they can't catch those boys, they can't arrest them. Can you imagine, say, under 2 weeks, they release those boys? You better say those boys now don't go bribe police for Ghana. They can't release the boy. My people, they're supposed to release that boy. They're supposed to release all those boys, 3 boys, when people say they do that kind of thing to that girl. 14 years old girl. We never know more before. That is it. There are some kind of person go, this thing will provoke and really. A girl. When they vandalize like that, now una can't release this girl on that 2 weeks. Like seriously, they release all those boys. If papa say he believes that they bribe those police, he believes that they bribe them because if they not bribe them, who does that? How you go release people we do that kind of thing? If not the police people they do it to their daughter, they go agree. If they do that kind of thing to their own daughter, they go agree. They can't release this boy. They can't release those boys. My people. Mona see reason this thing well. Mona reason well. If they wait all those police do, if they do well. Now God go take judge them. Mona reason what they do this boy, this girl. My people. I really feel pity for the family, really. I really feel pity for them. There are some kind of person go, you go just shocktalize. The thing go weaken your spirit. I really feel for the girl. I really feel for them, really. Because what did they do this family? They don't do well, really. They're not doing well at all. Who does that? Who does that? Okay, does it mean say poor people don't you get say again at all for I don't understand though. Poor people don't get say for Africa again. Why it be say if now rich person this thing happen to now? They go take the thing serious. See come up Bobrisky that day where be say because one boy one fight and that day for hold up. When they go break a phone. When I not see the way police people carry the thief for contracts. Man wait on the self to a woman no. Because they get money. They carry the thief for contracts. But this one now, because now poor person. Because now poor person. They don't nobody mind them. Nobody want voice for them. Nobody want talk for them. Because they poor. Africans. What will they do? Shall not good, shall? If now Europe this thing up, what they go do those people eh? Ah no. Africa, why would they do like that? Why it be say poor people no get see? Why? Why it be say poor people no get see? Why it be say poor people no get say, my people? Why? See Bobrisky that day. Where be say now? If you not see what Bobrisky do that boy, after the boy don't buy the phone for him, Bobrisky come make sure say he won't give the boy the phone when he fed they used before. He can't give him the one way. He can't make sure say he kaput the phone. He make sure say the phone not good again. He can't give the boy. That's why he do that boy rich. The boy say the phone is useless. He not use that phone, nothing. As he go complain to police say make he forget, make he rest for the matter. You see, say poor people, they don't get sick. You can imagine what they do to this man. It's obvious, say poor people don't get sick. Now God, now you're going to voice for poor people. God. Because if now rich person, this thing happen to. Una know now, this thing not go finish now. This matter not go finish. But these three boys now they don't bribe them. You can imagine what these three boys do. The thing they pay me really. You can imagine what these three boys do. They vandalize this girl. This one they get, they finish him. They finish the girl. For when the girl come back, she not feel waka. He not feel waka. Or his body full for red. They finish him. Now the police can't release them under 2 weeks. Like seriously. Africa. That is Africa for you. That is Africa for you. These people now don't use money bribe police. Police can say, they can't release them. People will commit that kind of crime. People will commit that kind of crime. They can't release them under 2 weeks. This police, if now you, they do this thing too. Are you going to release that boy under 2 weeks? Like seriously? Will you even release those boys under 2 weeks? Will you do that? If they do this kind of a thing to your own daughter, how are you going to feel? How are you going to feel? We be say you can't do one to another person picking. The man saying he wants me to help him because the thing is surprised that the thing they obvious say they bribe police now. You don't need to even take them twice. They bribe them because if they not bribe them, under 2 weeks they will release them. My people, more reason now. Under 2 weeks they will release them for that kind of crime. 3 boys force themselves. They jogodo this girl like that. They can't release the under 2 weeks. Like seriously? Like seriously? Like are you people kidding me right now? Like Africans. I beg. If we see blue, maybe they send our blue. If we see white, maybe they send our white. If we see black, maybe they send our black. Africans. But they do this thing, we will change. May we change. Before you boy hear this one now, what they go tell us? I will not say the table look us. How, my people? The thing they provoke me really. They provoke me. They provoke me. Now let God. I go the voice for the poor people. Let God. Thank you, everybody. That's why I want to do this video. Wish my people. Please share this video for me. Share me. Make you reach the good people out. Thank you, everybody. Please, anything what you think about this video, when I just do now, please leave your comments for the comment section down below. Thank you. Bye, everybody. Bye. And if you like this video, just give the video a thumbs up. Thank you. Bye.